Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Avinash. I represent a business called Avni Holidays. We are a specialized MICE tourism professional for last 12 years. MICE tourism plays a very important role in tourism industry as well as business industry. Almost 62% of business in travel happens because of business people traveling across the world. One of the major contribution for business travel is exhibitions and conferences, and we specifically focus on that. The reason for people loving to travel, specifically for conferences and exhibitions, is because of connections and relationships what they make during these particular platforms. I have traveled to more than 100 plus exhibitions, and every exhibition has helped me grow my connections, my network, and understand new businesses and trends in the market. For last 2 years, it has had a big hit in on our industry because of restrictions for travel and also for these events. I only hope things will stabilize in the society and we bounce back in our own opportunities and business starts coming back to normal. But however, last 2 years, lot of virtual elements have been happening. Even though virtual events were happening, they have their set of challenges because the comfort, the trust, the confidence comes for a professional to buy a product or a service when they meet in person or when they understand what kind of connections and comforts they have. Virtually can help us get connected but not get that confidence. So, I would love to participate in any in person meetings with all restrictions considered or all protocols being adhered to ensure everybody is safe and I am particularly safe, and still try and see that we bounce back in our business. Today I am at networking marathon meeting more than 150 plus people under one roof who are from almost like 80 plus business industries and 8 locations. It is going to help my travel business to gain good confidence and comfort and reach out to more business professionals and try and see at least in next 6 months we get back into business. Networking Marathon has been a great support. Today I have made almost like 100 plus connections, and I would love to see that such business opportunities are being shared with many people, and along with me more 100 people grow. Thank you so much, Avinash from Avni Holidays.